Okay, so our first category, which is footwear and accessories retailer.
This award will be handed out by Jacek Wesołowski from Tree.
Welcome, welcome. Thank you for handing out this award for us.
And we have 5 nominees. On the list we have CEE, Carlo Pazzolini, Högl, Kazar and Kiosk.
And the winner is...
Kazar.
Congratulations.
I got on the phone and called a girl, said meet me down at Curly Pearls where na-na-na-na.
So congratulations. Feel free to say a few words.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you. Well, I'm overwhelmed as it happens all the time actually to us here. We are back. We are very happy to be honored again, and we hope it will happen next year also. We will have a small surprise, so let's see how it will went. Thank you so much and have a lovely evening.
And come join us for a photo over here.
Thank you and congratulations, of course.
Nay, nay.